In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize WooCommerce My Account page with Elementor. In order to customize it, first head over and log in or create an account with WooCommerce.com in order to access its features. You can create an account by clicking on the Start Here option or log in using the Login option. Next thing is to head over right here to Elementor.com and make sure that you have an account from there as well. Click on the This Get Started right here or click on the This Login right here. Now, once you're done with that, just head over and open it right here. Here is our actual pages. Scroll down until you can see the My Account page right here. Click onto this Edit option that we can see right here. Once you have done that, it should be able to open this particular page into your actual WordPress editor. This is because WordPress and WooCommerce can be linked together. So you can use your WordPress editor, or you can also click onto this Edit with Elementor option right here. Leave the site, and then edit your site altogether using this part. Here is our account page. You can head over and add in here some elements that you would want. Like for example, you can add some headings, and from in there, you can also input some things as well by clicking on this plus icon. Like you can add some text editors, some dividers, spacers, and you can also add in here specific products if you would want. You can also add in here some widgets like forms, loops, galleries, pricing tables, and you can also add backcodes, slotty, and as well as the likes. Now under the general tab, you can see carousels, galleries, counters, HTMLs, as well as ratings. So you can just add in here any elements that you wish to have on your My Account page. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.